Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at freeonline tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm a mentor and analyst and host of this GrokStar Trading Room. I've got 2 trades and a lesson for you today, so buckle your seatbelts. Here we go. On Lake, L-A-K-E, our first trade. And this one was up over 35% here at, this is the opening line right here. Look at that. Boom, all the way up. Bam, all the way down. That's about a 4% drop. Then do another bear pullback here, and now it's a low basing, but also forming a descending triangle. So set a trade here. If it's going down, we wanted to go down with it, and what happened next? Bam, it did. It dropped down here, and I am now short at $15.16. L-A-K-E. And we're holding on to our seatbelts, and here we go. Bam, bam, bam. And it fell down here, and that was low basing right here, so I decided to take out half at $14.90 for 1.7% on the first half, and we're still short. And what happened after that? Bam, bam, bam. There it goes. Got it all the way down here, and pulling my stop down, and it popped up here. This is again, this is almost 2% here, and stopped me out at $14.82 for 2.2% on the second half. So this total trade on this descending triangle and broke down here was for 1.95% in 12 minutes. All right, that was the first trade, and then it continued to move up a little bit here, but well, let's take a little break between these 2 trades and just talk about what's happening here. We're having a mentoring program live in Las Vegas. Yes, I'll be there training along with Des. Just go to mentoring on our site, freeonline tradingeducation.com. Here's a description of what we have for mentorship, and here's what it includes, including some testimonials down here. Now, if you'd like to join us, it's going to be November 15, 16, and 17. That's a Saturday, Sunday, and Monday in Las Vegas, live in a room with other like-minded traders. Fill this form out right here and submit. And Carolina will give you a call and see if it's appropriate for you to be there. We'd love to have you. All right, back to our trading here. After this run up right here on Lake, and we now because we were short, and now we were sitting here looking. Now this is a long, this is a symmetrical triangle, also known as a bull pennant, ready to go long here. And then boom, here I am. I'm long as it broke out, and I got long at $15.46. We're long, and it runs up here. Boom, 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 boom. It was high basing right here, so I went ahead and I took half just before it broke out there at $15.62 for 1% on the first half. Still long, and now hit its head on this 200 period moving average. It's pulling my stop up here. And nope, it broke on right through it. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that, way up here now. It's still going. And again, I'm pulling my stop up here just under this 8 EMA, exponential moving average. And then look at that. Bam! Again, look at that. That's like 2% drop here. Tough to play against that one. So we did pretty stop out here at $15.90 on the second half, for 2.9% on the second half. So let's take a look at this trade. We had a symmetrical triangle, also known as a bull pennant. Broke out. We got in. We took out half here as it based, and then we took out the other. We stopped out of the other half as it broke below the 8 EMA. It was a pretty wild ride, but for 1.95% in 18 minutes, which is pretty ironic because we had 1.95% on the first short trade and 1.95% on the long trade. See, you need to have flexibility. So today's lesson is that you need to cut your losers short and let your winners run. Today, the overall trading in the room, I was just at 33.3% success rate. That means I only made 1 out of 3 were income trades, as expense trades on the other. But by cutting my losers short, I was able to still end up on the day at plus 2.5% on the day. Yes, so everyone, trade well, and hope to see you in Vegas.